it's me, Linty. Well, I guess my name's actually Sadie, but you can call me Linty or Sadie. It's me, Sadie. Welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I'd do like this kind of like spa day kind of thing because, I don't know, I've been really tired lately for some reason, and just I needed a pamper day, you know? Just like I needed a day where I could like chill and make some nice DIYs, and I don't know, I thought I'd film it for you guys in case you guys wanted to learn how to make some stuff. Okay, let's get on with the video.
Okay, so first you're gonna take 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of white sugar, pure cane white sugar, 1 teaspoon of honey, and 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Now I'm just mixing it all up to make this like weird sticky consistency. And I just put the lid on, and when I put it on my lips, like it made my lips feel so much better. Next, you're gonna take 1 cup of sugar. I realized that was too small for the sugar, so I had to move it into a bigger container. And I used 3 teaspoons of olive oil, but don't put all the olive oil in at one time. Put it in slowly, or else you're gonna get this crumbly mess that's not gonna be able to be used. And when I put it on my legs, oh my gosh, it was like so smooth. Next, you're gonna take an avocado and you're gonna cut it in half. Leave the part that has the pit in it and put that off to the side because we're not gonna use that part. Cut that in half and bag up the rest of that, making sure to keep the middle in because that's gonna make it not turn brown. And you're just gonna carve out the middle. That doesn't make sense. You're just gonna get all the avocado and put 1 teaspoon of, oh my gosh, coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of honey, and 2 drops of lavender oil. And mix it all together. And when you put it on your face, it feels like you're putting pumpkin on your face. So it feels like a really weird consistency, but after you take it off, your skin will be so smooth. Like I took it off and I was in shock. And now I'm just washing it off, and you can see like, oh my gosh, on my face. Okay, last but not least craft we're gonna make. I guess it's not a craft, it's a DIY. But we're gonna make some spa water, which is basically just infused water, but you just put fruit in it, and my hand was in the way, but I did put watermelon and strawberries in it. Made sure the strawberries were frozen, that way, you know, like they act as ice. And I let that sit for like 5 to 10 minutes, and once I tasted it, oh my gosh, it tasted so good.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, like I said, if you haven't subscribed or liked before, what are you doing? What are you doing? Go ahead and do that to join the Panda cult. We are the best cult on YouTube, I'm just gonna say. Anyway, so, yes, thank you guys so much for watching. Like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at LintyPanda, down. And click on my most recent video. and subscribe. That's it. Bye guys, love you. Mwah.